everyone! Welcome to Sam and Fang Cooking. Today we have a quick and easy recipe. I'm turning leftover Newfoundland Jake's dinner into egg rolls, complete by dipping them into gravy. The only thing you need besides the leftovers is some kind of wrappers. Egg roll, spring roll, or wonton wrappers will all work here. Get your leftover vegetables out. At first I was going to use a knife, but thought it would be much easier just using my hands. All we're doing is breaking it up into smaller pieces. This is the carrot, potato, parsnip, turnip, and cabbage. If you actually manage to have leftover salt beef, be sure to add that too. I microwaved it for 30 seconds to make it easier to pull apart. I also have some leftover shredded chicken and dressing. To ensure our wrapper stick, I mixed 2 tablespoons of flour with 2 tablespoons of water to form a paste. Now on to assembly. First I put a small layer of dressing. Then a scoop of vegetable mix. Chicken and salt beef. Fold the corner up over the mixture. Fold left and right corners toward the center and roll. I brush the paste on each corner to help seal. I made these wonton wrappers myself with a pasta machine. We have a video on that if you're interested in making your own too. Set your fryer to 350 Fahrenheit and fry until golden brown. Place on a wire rack to cool. I just love how crispy these wrappers came out. They're crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside. Don't forget to use that leftover gravy you made. It makes a perfect dipping sauce. This is basically deep fried Jake's dinner, so you can't go wrong. Please, next time when you have leftovers and you're about to fry them up on the stove, try this instead. You won't be disappointed. And if you haven't seen how I make my Jake's dinner, the link will be in the description below for the video, and also how to make wonton wrappers. Thanks for watching! Bye!